think this is... It's some sort of farm. I bet any minute another one of those stupid dark purveyors is gonna show up, totally bumming our worlds. Don't you think, Nick? 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 Where are you? What happened? I saved you!
I was feeling so ineffective, just being ahead and all. I thought it would be better to just go for the gusto. You know, get undead, the whole deal.
No! How can this be happening? Oh no! No! Watch out! Watch out! I can't stop it!
Juliet? Juliet!
Rosalind!
Who?
My little sister!
Let me guess. She's also a freaking zombie hunter?
Hey, Juliet! I came to save you! Something's wrong with this bus! Oh, it's really irritating! Is that a new purse? Wait, it's your boyfriend! He's a decapitated head? Fuck me! That's the coolest thing ever! Ah, I almost hit a bird! Look out!
Hi, Rosalind!
Shit! Sorry, it's not my fault! This bus is fucked up! Rosalind, this is Nick! Wow, it's cool! What does the bottom of it look like? Can you see the spine sticking out? Yuck! Awesome! It makes me throw up!
Oh, yeah! Nice meeting you, too!
Ah! It talks! Ah! It scares me! And I love it!
Your family's kind of, energetic, huh?
Do you smell that? Ugh. Something fishy is going on.
No way. This is all totally normal.
Ah! The brakes aren't working! No! Ah! Ah! Hey guys, don't worry! I'm cool! I've got it all under control! Shit! Oh, fuckballs! I almost forgot! Happy birthday, Juliet! This doesn't seem right.
I guess we should follow that bus, huh?
Wow, Rosalind must have seen this on my Amazon wish list. Wish Bomber! I can shoot your head with this.
What? Wow, this is the old abandoned farm. A little run down.
Plant them crops. Cut the grass. It needs water.
And it's infested with zombies.
I'm glad I just so happened to wear my zombie fighting underwear today.
What?
Sensei Morikawa said wearing cotton underwear with little teddy bears or hearts is best for doing battle. He'd make me wear them to every class.
I'm so creeped out right now.
Shit, muffins! I can't get it to stop! Ah! They're attacking Rosalind's bus! Chainsaw Blast! These zombies are so
better go help her, Juliet.
It's a party! You're gold.
This place is freaking me out. My not-heart is beating 1,000,000 miles an hour.
Cool, a headless body.
Hey, stick me on that sucker. Babe.
Hey! Quit cupping a feel with your disgusto zombie hands. I don't want to...
What the caves up to? How's the horses?
Blaster. Ugh, another lame-o bomber zombie. Whoa, you're the fattest zombie I've ever seen. Oh wait, sorry. I didn't mean to be insensitive. Die! Chainsaw Blaster. Zombies taste my chainsaw death!
I'm dying.
Strawberry's my favorite!
Oh well.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pick one or infected.
Yo, got this.
Up until now, but this is seriously creeping me out. The memories of this place are gonna ruin the smell of cow shit for me forever. Looking good.
Killing it!
Cool. Blaster. Blaster. Yeah!
Cut the grass.
Chainsaw Blaster! Now it's mine. Chainsaw Blaster. What does goo goo gajoob mean? Blast!
I think it means like, hey, what's up? Oh, man.
Pretty cool. Chainsaw Blaster. Blaster!
Wow, I really hope your sister isn't dead.
Why are you saying that, Nick?
Sorry.
Okay then.
Where's the chicken?
Get off my farm! Yeah!
Oh man, I was just thinking I wish there were some flying zombies around here.
Why were you thinking that? They're trying to kill us!
I was being facetious.
Oh! I'll take care of them, Nick.
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. You're never going to believe. Rosalind bought a bus. Yes, you heard right, a bus. Why would anyone want to... What is wrong with that sister of yours?
I'm kind of having a cool thought. We could take a couple of zombies and then put them in a wrestling ring and make them fight to death and take bets.
Inhumane, Nick.
Come on, it'd be funny.
Rosalind, get out of the bus! Quick!
Quit trying to kill Rosalind, you jerks.
Get off my farm!
Chainsaw Blaster! Finally, Rosalind! Get out of the bus! Come on! Rosalind, where are you? Wait! Rosalind? Wait, are you still on the bus?
Wait, why's she driving? She's gonna knock your head off.
That would be so sweet! We'd match!
Rosalind, stop! Damn, that was close.
Blaster! Blaster. Blaster. Chainsaw Blast. Later, after we kill all the zombies, let's come back to this farm and ride the cows.
You're gonna ride a cow.
Don't be racist against cows, Nick.
Just knock us off the bus. What is she doing?
She's probably just being weird. All that hair dye's gone to her brain.
Cows love to eat flesh, their rotting forms draw near.
Who is that?
I don't know, but there's something fishy going on here. Check out that mushroom. Blaster. Hello, item. Chainsaw Blaster. Where are we?
I'm dizzy, Juliet. Oh, man. It's like some weird giant egg. Chicken monster!
We need to get to Rosalind's bus.
Jesus
Stop left. Chainsaw blast.
That zombie just looked at your butt. I saw it!
Don't be jealous. Zombies taste my chainsaw death. Rosalind, are you all right?
This trip ain't over yet, child.
They say you reap what you sow, and I want to sow zombie guts.
Go, Juliet, go! You ever had a space cake, Juliet?
A ding-dong, yes.
No, like a pop round.
No way, I would never do drugs.
Me neither.
Gross.
Right, I have no idea what a space cake is like. It totally doesn't remind me of the way I feel right now at all. You're kicking ass, Juliet!
Oh, what the dick? Where are we now? Chainsaw blaster! There's no other way. We have to keep chugging going forward. The best kind, too!
Don't worry about the smell. I just shit myself.
Stealing on the crops.
Want some grub?
My sister's acting so strange.
Which makes her normal considering it's your family.
Oh, another store! Yay! The best cat! I wish I had my GPS to find that bus. terrible. Not even. Believe it out. Ready? Okay. I'm in. Awesome. Yay! Cool. Kick ass. Hooray for me. Yuppers. So delicious. All right, us. Let's do this.
All right.
3, 4, 5.
Yes!
6, 7,
Yes!
8, 9, 10. Abomination! Put your
Yeah!
head on a corpse abomination! My magic will F your ass! You feel it? You feel it? You're gonna kill it! This one's your intestines! Intestines! 1, 2, 3, 4! Body, let's go more! We got
Yes!
dead body! We got dead body! What's wrong with
Yeah!
this? Kill
Let's
it!
rock!
Nick, move! There we go! Nick, move!
Go!
Yeah! Rosalind, be careful! Bomber zombies are coming towards you!
That's some whacked out shit.
Cool! Yeah! What if you flew up in a helicopter over a horde of zombies and you saw they were standing in the shape of a smiley face emoticon? Oh my god, I would love that!
Are you sure you haven't eaten a space cake?
And you're gonna pay!
They're trying to drop a boulder on us!
So rude. Rosalind, wait! Why do you keep driving? It's irritating!
Better clear the road or this bus is screwed!
Ugh, I never hated rock so much!
Juliet, Cordelia, Zombie Hunter 101. The faster you finish a stage, the higher your stage clear bonus. Of course, you should also kill as many of those undead a-holes as you can.
Zombie horses have one joy, it's eating you.
It's another one of those mushrooms, Juliet.
I'm gonna cut it open! Rosalind? Rosalind? Chainsaw Blaster! Ready?
Oh no, it's Colonel Sanders' worst nightmare.
What the dick? Chainsaw Blaster.
What are their heads doing up there? What are their heads doing up there?
You know what, Nick? I could really go for some fried chicken right now.
I never want to eat chicken again as long as I live. That thing makes me want to vomit.
If you have a lighter, we could try to cook a little piece of it after I kill it.
That's disgusting.
I'm hungry.
Awesome!
I love you, baby.
I love you, baby. Nick Popper!
What are their heads doing up there? Awesome!
You ready? You're so sexy, Nick. Nick Toss. Oh boy, that wasn't even the right bus. Wow! All right! Kick ass! Oh boy, that wasn't even the right bus. Blaster!
What are their heads doing up there? How is freaking shit even happening?
Oh boy, that wasn't even the right bus.
It's like Mecha Chickenzilla. It's like Mecha Chickenzilla. What are their heads doing up there?
Oh boy, that wasn't even the right bus.
What is freaking shit even happening? What are their heads doing up there? What are their heads doing up there?
Chainsaw Blaster.
It's like Mecha Chickenzilla.
Chainsaw Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster.
Mecha Chickenzilla.
Chainsaw Blaster.
What is freaking shit even happening?
Oh boy, that wasn't even the right bus. What's this then? Chainsaw Blaster.
Mecha Chickenzilla.
Chainsaw Blaster.
It's like Mecha Chickenzilla. What are their heads doing doing up there? What are their heads doing up there? It's like Mecha Chickenzilla.
Whoops.
Back to this again, huh?
Uh-oh. Now there's bomber scarecrows.
Be careful, Juliet. I have a feeling this tracker's...
Good at driving a tractor, huh?
Sure.
You're lying. I can tell. You crinkle your nose. Like that time you told me you didn't think Michelle Martin was hot.
Can we just kill zombies, please? Down, Juliet. Go, go, go! Look them up! Baba Booey! Baba Booey! Look them up!
Oh, there she is! Hold on, Rosalind! God, what's going on?
I feel kind of dizzy. Like that time Father O'Malley roofied me.
Let's go! Let's go! Whippy! How do you like my form, Nick?
I hate this!
I think I just stepped in cow poop.
I know. It's like a German porn video around here.
What is that?
No.
You don't watch porn, do you, Nick?
I mean, I've seen it, but no. I never watch it on my own.
glad I took that pole dancing class. I could do this much better in my clear lucite heels. Where's that stupid bus? Sweet. Hello, Ida. Now it's mine. Blaster. Lard-ass bait.
Juliet, it's Mom. I hate to be a dingbat, but I guess I forgot to buy milk and I have to make your cake. Would you mind picking some up on the way? Oh, wait. I really am a dingbat. It's sitting right here on the counter.
I'm getting a great calf workout with all this jumping around.
Are you saying my head is fat?
What's this then?
Your plate's empty.
Oh no! It's like evil carrot dudes!
Someone's using some fucked up fertilizer.
No! Stop!
Awesome!
I adore you! I love you, baby! Nick toss! Eat it! Go!
Where's my dinner?
Rosalind! Rosalind! Hurry, Juliet, get in! Rosalind! I was worried about you. Are you okay? Yeah, I guess. This stupid bus broke down, but I fixed it.
Hey, Rosalind. Nice meeting you up close.
How did you fix the bus, Rosalind? Just last week, you had to take your car to the shop because you didn't know cars needed oil. How could you know how to...
Rosalind, where are we going?
Rosalind? Hey. What the heck?
We're headed towards your grave.
Where the hell are you?
Oh, Sister Juliet and Brother Nick, let's travel to the land beyond the doors of perception. Step outside the boundaries of your mind. Lose yourself in the eternal, collective unconscious. And rot.
Listen, lady, why don't you try using some deodorant? Because honestly, you smell like shit.
This one was just as insolent.
Rosalind!
Now, open your heart and let my music guide you into the world of everlasting peace and rot and hell. Flow on, child, into the rush of chaos and dark. The thunder and rage of the people. Kiss on the grave of the fallen warrior and pray that your soul rots
Chainsaw Blast!
Ambition, courage, pride, prayer, freedom, nourishment, despair, one truth becomes two truths become.
There's like 4 of her. Is this for real? What the hell?
Pretty cool. Chainsaw
Let the darkness spread. Let the darkness spread.
Watch out! Kill that trippy bitch!
A trillion butterflies dance and go from the world with their fluttering wings, eating away at our souls. One truth becomes two truths become see the truth before your eyes. The gates to the abyss shall open.
Can I go home now? Oh my god. Oh, this bitch is stinky.
Pretty cool. Chainsaw Blaster.
Personality irks the hell out of me.
Chainsaw Blaster.
Reformator's stupid guts.
Chainsaw Blaster.
Red, blue, white, blue, green, brown, sun, magenta, yellow, black.
Choke on your Birkenstocks, you psilocybin-munching moron!
Heavy. Peace out. Way out. Speak to reggae from the barrio coepto.
Whoa. We've been here the whole time.
Rosalind? She's not here.
Hey there, Juliet. Are you ready to boogie woogie?
Who is this?
The one you ain't gonna level up on.
Why are you pretending to be Stephen Hawking?
I got the freaky little super freak right here.
Get your hands off of me, you zombie pedo! Juliet, don't worry about me,
If you want your sister back, baby, you need to win a game with me.
Make your way to the Poultry Fun Center. I can't wait to party with your crew like it's 1983.
It's a trap, Juliet. We can't just rush in there alone.
We don't have any other choice, Nick. Who's gonna help us?
Hey, baby.
Daddy!
Mr. Starling?
Okay then.
Wow!
Yeah!